Gartner's latest report reveals that although AI will cause the loss of millions of jobs, it will also generate 2 million new positions by 2025. This video delves into some occupations that AI will replace. Technological advancements have historically led to significant job losses, such as the mechanization of agriculture in the United States during the late 19th century. Despite this, people are increasingly willing to integrate artificial intelligence into various aspects of their everyday lives due to its convenience and efficiency. However, this process is slow and could take many years before AI completely takes over certain jobs. Customer service representatives are one occupation at risk since their tasks often consist of answering repetitive questions which do not require high emotional or social intelligence. AI can easily automate responses for frequently asked inquiries about delivery status, payment confirmations, order cancellations, or refund statuses. Receptionists may also be affected as companies increasingly use robots for reception duties. Even phone calls are managed by AI now. Accountants and bookkeepers face replacement due to AI-powered services providing efficient accounting systems with enhanced flexibility and security through cloud-based platforms. Salespeople's roles have changed as advertising has shifted toward web-based methods and social media platforms with built-in target marketing capabilities. Taxi and truck drivers may find their jobs at risk thanks to ride-hailing services like Uber focusing on autonomous driving technology. Retail service workers could see a decline in demand for their roles as supermarkets shift inventory tracking responsibilities onto consumers using self-checkout systems. Lastly, proofreaders and translators might find competition from AI-powered tools such as Grammarly or DeepL that allow writers to correct readability issues, spelling errors, grammatical mistakes, or translate text into hundreds of languages effortlessly. Will AI take our job? What do you think? Tell in the comments below.